Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring you tutorial on how to make a bodycon butterfly bubu. A bodycon butterfly bubu is a trendy and fashionable garment that combines the flattering fitted design of a bodycon dress with the flowing voluminous style of a bubu. This design is popular in modern African fashion and can make a bold statement while offering both comfort and style. For this style, you'll be needing up to 4 yards of fabric, scissors, tailor's chalk, tape rule. Fold your fabric into 4 for the front and back. Input your shoulder to sleeve measurements. Put your vertical measurements. Put your horizontal measurements and connect as seen here. Slope the shoulder by 1.5 inch as seen here. Put your neckline measurements. Connect from the top to the hemline. Cut it out this way. The front and back should look like this. Attach ruffles as seen here. The final look will be like this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.